You can define a function using dgf and the function name, any parameter we want to passing num as parameter, and then a column. Then you can write the code inside the function. So here I'm returning num to 2. So if we pass any number as num, then it will double that number and then returns it. So let us call this function and pass 5 as parameter and capture that inside a variable and in that n. So 5 into 2 is 10 because num is 5, we are passing 5, it returned num into 2 is 5 into 2 is 10. Now let us see another example of function with update. Delete this. Now let us take a list item elastic fruit is equal to apple, then orange, then grapes. Pass this to a function fn, then here say print elastic fruit. We're printing this elastic fruit now, and then we're adding one more item pears. It x is equal to pears, then elastic fruit dot update. Here we are adding this x and returning that x. Now go here and call that function and then pass this LST list item. Here come down and then print LST fruit again. So here inside the function we are printing LST fruit before updation, that is it contains apple, orange and grapes, and inside the function we have updated it to pears. We have added one more item. So when we call this function and print elastic fruit again, then it should have that new item. Let us. So initially when we printed, it has printed orange, apple and grapes, and after that it has printed orange, apple, pears and grapes. So that's how we can update this using function. Now let us say lambda function. Let's take a variable, say lambda p comma r, and I'll define this as p plus q plus r. We call this x, pass some 555. So we have defined it as p plus q plus r, so it should add up all these things and give us the total. Let us, it has given us 15. Let us take another example. Y is equal to, take some other letters, a comma c, and these should be a, b print plus print y of 2 comma 2 comma 2. So the 2 into 2 into 2 should be 8. Previously we added those values 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now we have multiplied 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So that's how we can use this lambda function. Now let us see how we can use lambda in a function. Let us define a function as a variable x. Here we will return lambda y plus x. Now here we'll call that function fn. We'll call it with p, and we'll capture it inside a variable p, and then we'll print p, and then we'll pass again 2 to p. So this 3 will go as x because function has got this x as parameter, and this, when you call this p of 2, that will be y. Now let us execute this. So it is 5. So here we have defined a function and we have returned lambda y plus x, and we call that function with value 3, captured it in p, and for p we pass the value 2. So 3 plus 2 would be 5. That's how we can use this lambda inside a function.